So, hello. This is William Hagen. So, today's gonna be all about what's in there, right? What's in there? Can you guess what's in there? More monster trucks. So, let's see. First, I'm gonna pull out Northern Nightmare. So let's open this Northern Nightmare guy up. Let's see. See, it's difficult to open up. And this comes with a little minifigure. Oh, and it comes with a bracelet too. Look at this. Oh yeah, Northern Nightmare. Put him over there, along with this little red minifigure. Put him right there. And then let's see. Let's open up the bracelet. If there is a bracelet. Nope, no bracelet. So, oh, there's a little chart. And then this is Master Spin Card. And then there's another one. Want to see? Let's see. This is the last one. Check it out. It's El Toro Loco Ice versus Zombie Fire. Ice versus Fire. Let's open these two cool trucks up. It's hard to open these, as I said. There we go. Oh, look at them. Look at them. They're starting to shine. Oh, oops. Sometimes you drop them. Let's see. Gonna get these out in an awkward way. There we go. Oh, look at these guys. Oh, yeah. Fire versus Ice Face Off. I'm gonna put these over here. Is there anything in here? Is there anything in here? Nope, nothing in there. Oh, except the Spin Master code. Alright, that's about it, guys. Bye!